Hello, I'd like to show you some Haarp rings over Dallas-Fort Worth. You can see them right here. You can also see a flash up here at Fort Smith, Arkansas. There's also some activity down here by Houston. I'll zoom in on Fort Worth so you can see that a little better. Up here's the time so you can see what time they're happening. I'll zoom in a little more. Over on a telecast, we're going to switch over here. I have that looping through, and you can see there's something here by Lake Charles. And then you can also see some scattering going on around Dallas. But there's clearly no rain happening. It's a smattering of little green dots. And now I'm going to switch over to the College of DuPage website. And this is the Doppler radar. Let me go back and show you. In the College of DuPage, under NextRad sites, you can come down here and pick each one to look at it. Well, first look at the Dallas-Fort Worth, because it had the actual Haarp rings showing, and this is what it is right now. Here's the time up here, 5:16. This is GMT time on August 15th, 2011, and I have the ability to loop it up here. What I'm going to do is pause it, and we're going to go through frame by frame. So this is starting at 3:14, 4:32, 37, 42, and then at 4:47 it flashes hot. Down here shows you the scale, and you can see there's white and purple in here, and that's the hottest. And excuse me, I don't know all the terminology, but it's clearly hot. So 5:06, 5:16, and then back to the beginning of the loop at 3:05. We'll go look at another one here. We'll look at the Fort Smith, Arkansas one, since that had some green showing on the AccuWeather also. We're going to loop that also. Up here it tells you where we're at, Arkansas, Fort Smith, and at 5:23 it's showing hot. So this is at 2:12 already, it's showing hot, and it's also very hot. There's purple and white here at the top of the scale. And then it switches to blue, back to cool at 2:32. And then back to red at 3:18. And then we're at the current time at 5:23 GMT, and it's flashed red. And we'll go look at one more. We'll look at Houston. And the thing about Houston is it's blue the whole time for some reason. I'll just let it play through. No red there at all. However, there is this constant green going on, which we haven't really seen in the other ones. I want to show you one more just because it's interesting. I kind of went through all the NextRad sites in this area, and Brownsville was all in the blue zone, and so was Houston, but the rest of these had some red coming in. And I'm going to show you Austin here. Well, San Angelo. And that's not what I wanted. I wanted Austin. Let's see if we can find it. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and loop it through. If I recall correctly, it's showing red the whole time. No, it switches over. But look at these little lines here. You see these little lines going through? I'm not sure what that is. I didn't really see anything like that in the other ones I looked at. So in any case, I'm going to go back to AccuWeather so you can see one more time the actual Haarp ring that's showing up on radar for a while and then it disappears, which is how they normally happen. That's it. God bless you. Thanks.